Hello, my name is Sha, also known as Sunshine Sha, and welcome to my channel, where we drink our water, grow our hair, and try our best to live natural every day. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into this video, which will be a DIY tutorial on how to make flaxseed gel. I'm so excited to do this because this is something that I've wanted to try for many years, not months. Normally things are like months, no, years. I actually stumbled upon, and I want to definitely give credit to this YouTuber. A lot of you have heard of her. If you're in the natural community or natural hair community, you have definitely heard of her. Natural 85, different DIYs, and that's kind of what she's known for, trying natural products for your hair. So let's go ahead and jump into this because I've never attempted to make flaxseed gel before, and I've heard so many great things about it. So let's see. My hair is already washed and it's ready to go. It just needs my conditioner. So let's go ahead and jump into this video.
So you really don't need much to make flaxseed gel other than really flax seeds and a measuring cup, but that's optional, and some old stockings. I use a measuring cup, and I measured out 2 cups of water, and then I measured out about a half a cup of flax seeds. So again, I'm just gonna give you guys a disclaimer that this is my first time attempting this. So you are supposed to allow the flax seeds to come to a boil and continuously stir the seeds so that they don't stick to the pot. At this point, I really wasn't sure if I should turn them off yet, because you are looking for a stream when you lift the flax seeds up. You're looking for like this this cloud of I guess like kind of like a stream of like thickness, and not to be so soupy. I'm hoping I'm explaining it right, but like, yeah. And yeah. So that's what I'm doing right now, but I actually left it on too long. So right at this point, that's when I realized I may have effed up. So I purchased this little cute container from the Dollar Tree so that I can keep my gel inside of the container. So basically I just put the flaxseed gel and it feels so slimy, and it was like sliming all over the place, but I put the flaxseed gel inside of the old knee-high stocking, or actually I think those were pantyhose, and I cut them into like knee-highs, but it was too thick. I couldn't get it out at all. So fast forward, I went ahead and added a little bit of water. It isn't a complete fill. Added some water, and I attempted it again. I literally had to add water 3 times because every time I went back, put it back in the stocking, I still couldn't push out any gel. So you can see, like, I got gel all on my arm and hand, and like, look at it, it's barely coming out. I was really getting frustrated, and I really wanted to give up. I promise you I wanted to give up at this point, but we ain't quitters. We don't quit. So look at it. The flax gel felt so good.
Okay, y'all, this flaxseed gel stressed my life out. Like, trying to make this stressed me out. Clearly I messed up, so do better. Don't be like me. But I'm still gonna go ahead and apply it to my hair because you learn by your mistakes, right? So let's go ahead and get started.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my avocado leave-in conditioner before I go ahead and apply the flaxseed gel, and that's pretty much it. You guys are gonna see me apply the flaxseed gel in no real like special way. Like, I just start really just applying it because it was kind of soupy, so I didn't want to spill it all over the place, but it felt so good on my fingers, and it just felt really, really good on my hair, and I was really enjoying it. I don't know, I was one of those kids that like slime, So like this is reminding me a lot of slime from like Nickelodeon. I don't know. Do they still like do all that stuff in Nickelodeon? Slime, kids and slime, green slime. Anyways. Let me know if you all want to try this, because this was so easy to make, so cheap. I got my flax seeds from Aldi for like $4 for that big old bag of seeds, and all you need is water. Like, it's super super easy to make. Just don't be like me and overcook it. Then now you have to thin it out. But it just feels really really good on my hair. And I think I'm going to be using this, and it might be like become a regular in my hair care routine. So I'm just overall like excited about this new product that I have. And yeah, I'm just really silly. And that's it. Super super cute and quick wash and go. Slight crunch, but it was just the right amount for me. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and see you in 7 days for the next one. Thanks for watching.